Look at girl, you me a talk to you know. I bet me tickling one take one stone and bust in head. And me say if you do what me tell you do in the house already.
We can't do nothing in my piece.
Are you me a talk to you now, little girl?
Yeah, me say me do it already.
So how you suck up your teeth, man? Who you suck up your teeth, man? Look at girl, if I lick you, you just drop short and get up back tall. You hear me? I have to tell you, don't ramp with me. You say you. Go on, man, go on.
Can't bother no man. Don't leave me can't so much. You know what? Me text my sister.
Kayla.
Me a come.
Me a go in the town and come back. If you really not come, lock up your house. But that's not gonna make the place wet up. And close the pan the line, right? Next thing, if your bad breed sister come here, I don't want her in my room. You hear what me say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
Okay.
Girl, she gone. I can't come now.
So you say girl, she gone? Alright then. You know what? Give me about 15 minutes, may I come. Where's you going, you know, girl? Cause you know how mommy she check your hand. But if we did want to come here when she there, you know, I wear something about man, you know, she will load up her mouth and be the most way.
Girl, don't worry about mommy, yeah. Me say, before mommy go away, she a go say, I hope me not make my bad breed sister come here and go in her room.
I saw mommy she love chat, but she can't tell me that kind anyway me feel for go me and go, you know. So you say I go and know sis, I pray for you.
Me not even know, cause right now me the years bored and stressed. And that's why I call you. I wonder if you know no place who can go.
Girl,
cause see mommy are gone. I'm not even think she come back.
I said, me have one spot we could go go hang out if I want guest house. Me I tell her say up I guest house nice, you know, girl, they have pool, bar, you know all of the little good there.
That sound boring though, sis. But since it's a guest house, all I do, get some people and go over there and enjoy ourselves.
But you know? Yeah, girl, you know, see, alright, do what you think. I'm supposed to can make one and two link and get somebody, you know, because, but sure, if I told you I'm going to go boring, see who me can get to.
You know, so I don't get the money now.
What you mean you don't get the money? So when you tell me say you don't get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something here, no man. Eh? You can't bother.
Don't know, man. Me tell you what go on, man. Remember say yesterday the Labor Day, you know, so could money send but I could get for collect because holiday yesterday, isn't it?
Watcha, me not even know myself either, you know. Never know a thing.
I'm busy. You all at today, so tomorrow thing that. Doesn't matter.
What you say, tomorrow?
Yeah, man, not the on my agenda tomorrow still. You know, so. Man, you can go on tomorrow, man.
Alright.
Girl, see some of them that text back, you know. They might still one of them and say, give me all care buckle. And you rest of them text back right now. People they like them willing to come, girl.
Alright, sis, it's like how them interested. Go just go for the guest house. By the way, how far from here is the guest house there?
The guest house not that far, girl. Like, just one little walk, you know, far.
Alright then. Can we just go up there and set the office set up? Because you know, say I know lame party we are going to keep.
Yeah, man, alright. How we do
Alright,
that?
sis.
think that Jay will come for you?
Girl, once you invite Jay, will come. And what's so special about Jay?
Girl, you know how long me have a crush on him. And I just know her from a long time. So you can't do anything, you know. So, you know what?
Just don't let the condom, yeah, girl.
You know, sir. Nah,
Condom! Hey, I want see. Hey, you sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Nobody run now. Cause you never get away from me. Where you do ya? Oh, yo, shut up. Where you do ya? You see you're not no manners, you know. And let me tell you something. Me should come here and see you know. Because guess what? You choose, you know, come here so. So me don't know where you come here and do. Don't run and look for me talking to you. And you choose not to come here so. You choose to left here so.
I go and me did I go away. I Kayla, me care something come let off and me did I leave. Right? But still I see me go left your place. Kayla, you see me you wait up on the phone.
Sit down there so. Boy, you go. Where you go? Where you go? You feel say you're no big man. What kind of party we you not talk about and condom and all type of stuff? I want you start talk. I feel say you can't trick me with no crayfish brain. Start talk.
Alright, mommy. I'm going to tell you the truth. I want to prank with your plan for TikTok.
Yes, girl, I did one plan with that prank with you, mommy. See, if when next
See
year,
phone here.
I did just one little prank something with you. Yes, for sure, I did one TikTok video. We did not make one little prank something.
Yeah, mommy.
I never know like where you come and think.
What you say now? Cause today me I go broadside one hour now. What you say? You come for drop off sitting. No a TikTok video now make up in your mind. What?
I thought me come to go and drop off true. I thought me come to go and drop off to Kayla and you know.
Think this here? No tell me no lie.
But me not tell you no lie.
Let me tell you something. You see before me damage you and me do you something in here to the little girl. Give me a phone. Where your phone there?
Kayla, where's not the phone there?
What ya? What ya? Your phone dead. Your phone just dead, mommy. Your phone dead.
You, sit down there, so. Me call for your father and tell him everything when me hear. You see all of my plan there what uno say uno make, it not happen because you mash up. And let me tell you something, you see, give me, as a matter of fact, where on the phone, give me them. Give me. You think me idea about phone dead and all these things. Actually, I don't know about them phone here, you know. That's why I take me for papi show. But here what, uno brain no big enough for me.
Girl, I don't know what she got with the phone. Jesus. I don't know what we are going to do. Girl? We should come in. We should come in.
Yes, people, you know, say that's the movie. And
hope you enjoy it. And make sure you
Like and subscribe
and share
big up on yourself so we can get more to it. I want you know say I know she not no behavior. She's still not man you know.
yeah.
Anyway, I'm a baby them
Bye,
and still.
guys.
Thank you for watching.
Just give me a second, I don't know what call me them I was on night. How would it? So this man I don't know say different times. He got hung up. I can't him up. I know I send her money already, so I can't money him call me back for ask about her now. And he knows say different time. I call her back.
Hello. You know, you feel like saying not me that big, you know, and you pick me did I call you about.
What happened with that? What happened?
The other day I come in and she and the other sister, the other one, I chat about party and boyfriend and condom and me feel just come in and mash up his seize them phone and them something there. You understand me?
So sis, what do you think I go happen when she call the father?
Well, I don't to worry now because I know what will happen. She will call daddy. I want to tell daddy about how say me I plan to go meet up with man and go out with man and then things like a party. I better say because go happen and daddy go to me to turn up here.
Sister for bill off her phone still, you know. Both you are run with. Suppose you go to the road and something bad happen to you.
But girl, me know the streets, I'm in the street code, and right now, in my time and day, you can't just have parents locked in the house like say you're a hostage. You have to go out and enjoy yourself and anything. So, you know, nobody can tell me to eat that. Worst night streets, what me know about stuff, nobody can tell me to eat that.
The boy tease you, you know, here, you know? Girl. But I'm glad that you're still sister girl.
Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem to keep her, you know, as she did get up, you know, and left the yard. And you as a father, we should have tell her, say, go on back to your mother and her manners to your mother. You take her up and make stepmother have him down there and sitting. So you must me okay. Me not have no problem. Alright then. Yeah. Ah, me can't bother phrase. Hey.
Jerry!
Oi! Oi, me a come then.
How is she there? You come with the water and I want to talk to you.
So, how me can call me so? How?
So me carry water come there. But me need to talk to you about your daughter. You see what I mean? She not no behavior. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Because you don't know she don't tap tease me dog, you know. And you know how it go, you know. When dog bites somebody how much million and me no have it. You see what I mean? You need to talk to her, you need to warn her. When she come or she a pass, she don't need to say nothing. Leave the dog alone. Because me not gonna respond if something go wrong, you know, because if she get bite, you don't run, maybe you run, come say me dog bite. You see me, I don't find out where you go, but she a tease the dog, she a provoke the dog. And any day that dog bite you, who? Make me make you know for warn her, till I feel leave me dog alone.
Me apologize on behalf of my daughter, right? And me thank you for telling me. But hold on there, which one of them can know two daughter? Which one?
The fear complexion one, not the dark one, the one that's quiet. But she not quiet. She a troublemaker. She only act like she quiet. I mean, know everything so that little girl was a quiet little girl, nice girl. But when me see her, I trouble them, I couldn't believe. Say she shouldn't do that. You say I mean, I tease the dog, I trouble the dog. And if the dog bite her, how you go? You say I mean?
Alright, me really sorry about that and it not gonna happen again. You telling me apologize, me sorry about that, me talk to her. I understand, me sorry about that, me apologize. Understand, right? Please and thanks. And thank you for your water, do you hear?
You're welcome. You know, say me and your friend for a long time, but
man.
you need to talk to that little girl. Because she get bite by the dog, me no respond. You hear what me say? Talk to her. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Alright.
Money what that money I call me for? Every minute this lady I call me and I bother my brain. I said last night, you know, the lady called me. What do you believe what she called me for? She called me from weird in the back room in a Kayla. Only if you know see a remote this lady I come in front of right her bedside table right beside her bed. I can't bother.
As some me stay in a girl, you better your answer. You better your answer because you know mommy head chip on one part.
Chop, I'm not answering up. Come on girl, go over this to go sit down.
So I think we can do sis.
We can't go no places, girl, no places. You know me have my links.
I really up so then there. I hear me a call and then not answer. It's alright. You know, you come here, call you right here. Eh? You know that I say that here, me a call you know here. Because girl, you know want mash you up in here. You hear me I tell you? listen to me. Let me tell you this. And me, I adult in a yard, yeah. Me, I know you. And you see all of them foolishness there where you're going with, when you cut out it. Because you see if you don't cut out it, you're going to see what happens between me and you. You have trouble people that on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up! Shut up and not tell me nothing. Shut up your mouth. You see all you up there? You, when making come here influence you, we will mash up it to our in our here. Me, we mash up it to our
So the new aim really is to provide you guys with as professionally edited videos as possible, and at the same time try to provide you with the highest level of entertainment with limited amount of characters. That is what I am trying to do. And why am I doing it? Because it is fun and it really challenge my creativity, and I like it, I like it. And I'm not ask you guys to send me no equipment, to send me no money. All I want for you guys in terms of support is to subscribe, click the like button, and share the content, please. And next thing, there'll be a link. There'll be a link in the description and the pinned comment, the very first comment, that will provide you with a link to the channel that I wanted to subscribe to. It's Akeen. This channel is Akeen Lawrence, but I wanted to subscribe to Akeen. Reason being, that is where I'm going to upload future episodes of what you guys just saw. So when you go over there now, you're going to see this in its entirety without me at the end talking. Yeah, future episodes will be there. So subscribe, share up the content, make it work. I think this is gonna be really like what this do, using limited amount of characters and still try to film something with some amount of length to it. Because I could have gone half an hour or even an hour, but it's because it's still with the availability of the characters, because sometimes it's really difficult to even get 3 persons in one location at the same time, and then you know a whole heap of things. But it's fun, and people help me to continue this by subscribing, liking, and all that good stuff. So I shall soon over by Akeen in the near future with more content. As a matter of fact, no live, no vlogs, none of that on that channel. That channel will only have professionally edited entertainment. So whatever is posted on there is for strictly entertainment purpose, and try it as best as possible to make it as professionally edited as possible. Yeah. Seriously, like the unreal things them, you want even the flagging, you want to do it to make it look as real as possible, like the person.